Hi, welcome back to Jama's Kitchen. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Agidi Jollof at home. So this is what is needed when you want to prepare Agidi Jollof. Your tomato stew, your fish, your meat or biscuit bone, whatever. So I'm using corn flour. You know, my previous video, I made a video on how to make akamu from scratch. And I promise you guys that I'm going to use it for Agidi Jollof. But I've already made use of that pap. But I still want to show you guys how to do it. So I'm using corn flour for this. Next, I'm going to be adding the corn flour powder in the pot I'm going to be using for the agidi, and then I'm start adding water bit by bit. So this part now is very tricky. Don't add too much water because we want the pap to be hard. We don't want it to be watery. So add water bit by bit, and then when you feel it's okay for you, you can stop. Agidi is one of the most Nigerian popular street food you will find in Nigeria. They sell it in the street, they sell it to students. Those days in primary school and secondary school days, oh my God, during break period, I'll be looking for where to buy Agidi. If I don't see where to buy Agidi, I will run out of the school gate to go and buy Mama Nkechi Agidi. So guys, next I'm going to be adding hot water on it. You guys know how to do akamu now. So turn it until it becomes hard. So once it's hard, I'm going to transfer it now to my gas cooker and begin the process. So if you are wondering how white agidi is being made, it's the same process. The difference is that you are not going to be adding stew on it. You do it like this, put it on your stove, you keep turning it on a low heat, and when you discover that the agidi started changing color, then it's ready. You can bring it out and tie it or put it in a plate and allow it to get cold. So I've placed the akamona on the cooker. I keep stirring it around until I notice it changes in color. Once the color changes, then it is time for me to add my stew and then give it a mix again. This Agidi Jollof is good for babies that are learning how to eat solid food. So instead of you giving your baby pap, and Cerelac, you can spice the pap a little bit by giving them Agidi Jollof. They are going to love it. So I'm going to keep stirring it until the stew is mixed into the akamu properly. Remember, on a low heat because we don't want it to get burnt at the bottom of the pot. And keep stirring it. Don't let it sit for 1 minute. Keep stirring it because we don't want it to get burnt. So next is to show you guys how to wrap it with leaf. Remember, you can also use plastic bag or you put it on a plate, whichever way you want it. But I love using agidi leaf for this. So I placed two agidi leaf, reason because the agidi leaf is small. Next, I'm going to put the akamu on it, and then don't forget your biscuit bone or the fish you are going to be using for it. So next, I'm going to be adding fish and wrap it. So this part is a little bit tricky. If you don't know how to wrap agidi with the agidi leaf, you are going to find it a little bit difficult to do it. So I'm going to show you guys again how I did it. I'm using two agidi leaves. If you have big leaf, you don't need to double the leaf. But if the leaf is small, you double it and then take off the stick. You see the stick at the middle of it. You take it out so that you can be able to fold it when you want to fold it. And then place the agidi at the middle of the leaf. Then don't forget to put your biscuit bone or the fish you already prepared for that at the middle of it, and then wrap it gently. Guys, it's very hot, so when you are doing this, be very careful. Fold it at the back of it, and then do the same thing at the mouth of the agide leaf. Fold it gently and then take it backward. Next, I'm just going to place it and let it cool down. I'm going to be folding the last one for those of you that don't know how to fold agidi leaf. So once you've added your akamu on it, then add your meat or fish, and you can also add stew on top of the agidi before you fold it. So then gently wrap it around, and then the bottom of the leaf, take it backward, do the same at the top of it, fold it gently, and then bring it backward. So that is it. Your agidi is ready for you to enjoy. So let's look at it and see how it is. It really came out nice and it tastes better than the one I used to buy in my primary school and secondary school days. This one came out nice. There's nothing like homemade meal. It's very nice. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section, guys. I can't end this video without showing you guys how I enjoy this agidi. It really tastes nice, more than the one I used to buy in school those days. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave good comments and share. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and let's become friends, okay? See you guys on my next video. Bye! And remember, I love you guys.